Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a collapsible section in Shopify. A collapsible section, also known as an accordion, helps you organize product information without making the page look long or cluttered. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. Collapsible sections are especially useful for displaying information such as product specifications, materials, sizing details, shipping policies, care instructions, and frequently asked questions. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. Find your active theme at the top and click the Edit Theme button. Make sure you are editing the active theme currently being displayed on your live store. You may also want to duplicate your theme first if you prefer to test the changes safely before publishing them. At the very top of the screen, click on the Page drop-down menu and select Products. Then, click on Default Product. This opens the standard product template used by products that have not been assigned to a separate custom template. Now, look at the left sidebar menu. Under the Product Information section, click on Add Block. From the pop-up list of blocks, look under the Layout section and select Accordion. Depending on your Shopify theme, this option may also appear as a collapsible row or collapsible content block, but it serves the same purpose. Click directly on the accordion block to open its settings panel. In the heading field, change the text to something clear for your brand. For example, you could use headings such as Product Details, Size Guide, Materials and Care, Shipping Information, or Frequently Asked Questions. Clear headings allow customers to quickly locate the information they need. You can untoggle the Open Row by Default button to keep it neat upon opening the page. When this setting is disabled, customers can choose whether to expand the section, which helps keep your product page clean and easy to scan. You can also click the Icon drop-down menu to choose a matching visual. A relevant icon can make the section easier to identify, but choose a simple icon that supports the heading without distracting customers. Next, click on the nested text block under your accordion block to open its settings. Type your details and instructions directly into the text box. You can change its format as you like. For better readability, use short paragraphs, bullet points, or clearly separated instructions instead of placing everything inside one long block of text. For example, a materials and care accordion could explain what the product is made from, whether it can be machine washed, and how customers should store it. A shipping information accordion could include processing times, estimated delivery periods, and important international shipping details. Once satisfying, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. Before leaving the theme editor, use the preview window to open the accordion and confirm that the heading, icon, formatting, and content appear correctly on both desktop and mobile layouts. And that is it! You have successfully learned how to add a collapsible product description section in Shopify. You can repeat these steps to create multiple accordion sections and organize different types of product information. Just avoid adding too many sections, because customers should still be able to find the most important details quickly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.